Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to simply turn on or enable dark mode in your Facebook Meta Ads apps. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to simply open up your Meta Ads or Facebook Ads Manager. So click on that. Whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone, so this is the app that you need to download to run Facebook ads on your phone. Now, after you have successfully downloaded and installed it on your Android phone or iPhone, let's simply see how we can change this interface into a dark mode. And for us to do that, what we want to do is to simply click on the setting icon. That's going to take us right here. Next thing we want to do is to simply click on the setting icon again. Let's take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on Teams. They take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to disable this. Then you have two options. Next thing you need to do is to simply choose dark. Just like so. By the time you go back to your interface and the apps, then you see that everything here has been fully turned into a dark mode. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply turn on or enable dark mode in your Facebook ads account from your phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.